Hello everyone, my name is Naser. In this video, I would be telling you about why ACCA is the best qualification for commerce students. Well, ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It is a UK based qualification which has value in more than 181 countries. Now, ACCA has 13 papers. To start with those papers, the first paper is Accountant in Business, Management Accountant and Financial Accountant. These three papers are the knowledge level papers, and the examination for these papers can be given anytime. Means when you're ready, you can give your examination. This examination is on demand. After completion of these three papers, you would be getting certification in accountancy and business from ACCA. Moving on to the next level, the skills level, the paper starts from corporate and business laws, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, auditing and assurance, and financial management. These 6 papers, the examination would be multiple choice questions and descriptive. These papers are also online. You would be solving these examinations on Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These examinations are held 4 times in a year, which is March, June, September, and December. You can give any paper at a time according to your preparation. Once you are prepared, you can book your exam and give your examination, and you can give your examination in any part of the world. After completion of these 9 papers, you would be getting advanced certification in accountancy and business from ACCA. After completion of your 9 papers, you have a chance to get BSc in Applied Accountancy from Oxford Brookes University on submitting a thesis. Now, moving on to the professional level and the final level, you have 4 papers here. The first is Strategic Business Leader, Strategic Business Reporting. These 2 papers are essential papers. And then next, there are 4 papers out of which you need to choose 2 papers. Are Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Performance Management, Advanced Auditing and Assurance, and Advanced Taxation. Now, you need to make a choice out of these 4 papers, which 2 papers you are good at or which 2 papers you want to pursue your career. After completion of these papers, you would be awarded ACCA affiliate status. After completion of ACCA, you can apply for Masters in Professional Accountancy from University of London. Just by submitting a thesis, you would be getting your master's degree. What jobs will you get after completion of your ACCA? You would be getting the jobs as a financial analyst, financial controller, tax manager, audit manager, etc. and so on. And you would be a CEO or a CFO of any company in the next coming few years. ACCA will give you that base. More oftenly, many students ask me this question, that why ACCA rather than CA? Why is ACCA better than CA? Well, I have many answers for that. ACCA is a more flexible qualification. ACCA does not have any negative marking. It doesn't even have mathematics also. There is no grouping system in ACCA, where in CA you fail in one subject, you fail in a complete group. But in ACCA, if you fail in one subject, you're gonna write that paper only. You can give one paper at a time according to your flexibility, and your qualification can be completed within 2.5 years. You can give your examination across the globe. In CA, you have articleship of 3 years. In ACCA, you have professional experience requirement of 3 years. You can work for 6 months in one company, 1 year in another company, which will give you a mixture of exposure which will make you grow professionally tomorrow. Well, the major advantage of ACCA is again the demand and supply. The supply of CA is more, whereas the supply of ACCA is less. So the supply is less, the demand is very high. You would be knowing international rules and regulations which will make you stand out of the crowd while applying for a job or doing anything in your career. Now, what are the entry routes for ACCA? Well, I would recommend any student after completing their 12th or while doing their 12th to join ACCA. Now, if a student has completed his BCom, he would be getting 4 papers exemption. The first 4 papers would be getting exempted. Now, if a student has completed his IPCC, he would be conditionally getting 6 papers exemption. And if a student is a qualified chartered accountant or a qualified certified management accountant, he would be getting 9 papers exemption in ACCA? Well, these are the entry routes for ACCA. You can start it in your 12th, you can do it while you're doing BCom, you can do it after completion of your BCom, you can do it while you're pursuing your masters, you can do it after completion of your IPCC, or you're stuck in IPCC, or you've completed your CA. You can do ACCA. You would be getting conditional exemptions according to your marks, and you can go ahead in ACCA, which will give you international value. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about ACCA, do mention down in the comments. I would be happy to answer to it. Thank you.